Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a raffia bag, crochet bag. Yeah, it's a Pinterest inspo Prada Milano. For the materials, I'll be using a 3.0mm hook, a pair of scissors and yarn. Winter King, I'll be using Winter King. So you're going to go ahead and make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, make a chain of 54. Yeah, so guys, here I am with my 54 chains. What we are going to do, you're going to count from the hook 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th place a double crochet. After placing a double crochet, you're going to chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next with a double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next with a double crochet. It's already forming a mesh pattern. I think you can see, guys. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next, and place a double crochet. So this is what you're going to do, and let me meet you at the end. Yeah, so guys, here I am. We are done with our very first row, and if you chained 54, you should be having 25 boxes. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yeah, so after that, you're going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you turn your work. When you turn your work, you're going to yarn over, go into the next double crochet with a double crochet. Yeah, chain 1. We are repeating what we did in the previous row. Chain 1, chain 1, place a double on top of a double. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do. And at the end, don't forget, guys, when you reach the end, when you reach here, you'll chain 4, which acts as 1 double crochet, chain 1. So you're going to do this for a couple of 10 rows. Yes, you're going to do this for 10 rows. So let me meet you when you have your 10 rows. Yeah, so guys, here I am with my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 rows. So guys, right now the front of this bag has some triangular shape written on the word Prada Milano. So to form this triangular shape, we have 25 boxes. And 25 is an odd number. It can't be divided by 2. So the middle of 25 is 13. Let's try it out. We are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If this is the middle, let us place a slip stitch marker. I suppose it's the middle. Let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. If 13 is the middle, then meaning we have 12 boxes on the left and 12 boxes on the right. I just suppose. We are going to count them together. Okay. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This is the 13th. On the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Yeah, we are on the right track. So what we are going to do, we are going to repeat what we've been doing in our previous rows. You're going to make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn your work. Don't do anything in between the boxes. Go on top of a double crochet with a double crochet, chain 1, go on top of a double crochet with a double crochet. So yeah, we are going to do this until we reach where the slip stitch marker is. Yes, because from this row onwards we want to start creating that triangular shape at the front of the bag. Yes, remember guys, we are making a raffia bag, a Prada Milano raffia bag in burnt orange. I'm using rusted orange. So you chain one, go into the next double crochet with a double crochet. So here we are, we have reached this space where our slip stitch marker is. What we are going to do, we are going to remove it, and instead of chaining one, we are going to go into this space where the slip stitch marker was with one double crochet. Then after, go on top of the next double crochet with one double crochet. This is what we have, guys. I suppose you can see. Yes, so after that you're going to chain one and continue doing what you have been doing. Yeah, this is our very first 4, 2, 3, 4, and turn your work. You're going to go into the next double crochet with a double crochet, chain one, go into the next double crochet with a double crochet, chain one, into the next double crochet with a double crochet. We are going to do this until we reach into that space with a slip stitch marker. Yeah, and double crochet until we reach into the box that has the slip stitch marker. It's here, chain one. So yeah guys, this is where the slip stitch marker is. We are going to remove it. You're going to go into this space with one double crochet. I think you can see. Go into the next 3 stitches with 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to go into this space with a double crochet, then go on top of this double crochet with a double crochet. I think you can see our triangle is increasing in size. The first row we had 1, 2, 3. The second row we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to chain one and continue doing what you are doing until you reach the end. This can be seen that before, yes, you can place your slip stitch marker, but you can as well, it can as well be seen, you can just eyeball it. Yeah, you can see that before this box says I'm supposed to place a double crochet. Yeah, but if you're not sure or if it will disturb you, place a slip stitch marker. Yeah, so let's continue. Chain one, chain one, chain one, and a double crochet, chain one, double crochet, chain one, place a 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 double crochet. Then now we are going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and turn your work. Yeah, we are going to place one double crochet until I reach here, until I reach that box that has the slip stitch marker. So literally guys, it's going to be a repetition, but let me show you one more time, and then you can now do the rest of the rows on your own. Chain one, chain one, place a double crochet on top of a double crochet, chain one, place a double crochet on top of a double crochet, you chain one, place a double crochet, top of a double crochet, chain 1, place a double crochet on top of a double crochet. So here we are where there is a slip stitch marker. You're going to remove your slip stitch marker, go into that space with a double crochet. So you're going to go into the next double crochets with 6 double crochets. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, oh no, that's 7, and 7. After making 7 double crochets, you're going to come into this space with 1 double crochet. I think you can see. Then again, there is another double in front of it. This is the very last double crochet, and yeah, in front of this space there is a chain 1, meaning you're supposed to chain 1 and go into the next double crochet with a double crochet. And I think you can see, guys, I don't know if you can see, but I hope you do, because I'm using rusted orange. It's somehow similar with my surface, but at least I know you can see that there is a triangle that is coming up, and it's also increasing in size. I think you can see this is the first row, the second row, and the third row. So you'll come back and place your slip stitch marker here. Yes, and continue doing what you've been doing in the previous rows. So yeah, guys, I'm going to return and I'll let you know how many rows of the triangle I'll have made. Yeah. So guys, I went ahead and made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows with a triangle. So for this next row, we are going to normalize 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I want us to get back to this. So what we are going to do, after chaining 4, go into the next double crochet with a double crochet, chain 1, next double crochet, a double crochet, chain 1. So we are changing from the square to the original mesh that we had. Yeah, we are now returning to what we had in the 10 rows before we started creating our mesh. So here we are on the triangle. You're going to chain 1, skip this chain, go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip this chain, go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip this, go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip this next, a double crochet, yeah, chain 1, skip this, go into the next with a double crochet, chain 1, skip this, go into the next with a double. So yeah, guys, this is what we are doing, and we have to make sure we get back to our 25 boxes. Yeah, we need 25 boxes, the ones we had in the beginning. So guys, it depends on what you want. You can make more rows of the triangle, or you can even make less. It's totally optional and it depends on you. So yep, here we are, guys, and I think you can see our triangle and our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So yeah, here we are with our 25 boxes plus the triangle. So right now I'm going to make one more row and I'll get done with the front panel. I'm going to make one more row of this and I'll be done with the front panel of our bag. Then I'll show you what to do when it comes to the back panel. Chain 1, Yeah, so guys, I'm back. I went ahead and increased 2 rows after our triangle. Yes, after making the triangle, I increased 2 rows. So I made a similar piece that made it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. Yeah, so these are 18 rows on the piece that has our triangle. So I made another identical piece, but this time around this one was plain. I didn't place a triangle. Yeah, so this is what we have. This is the front and this is the back. So right now I want to show you how to create something for the body. Yeah, something for the sides of this raffia bag. Yeah, so you're going to make a slip knot. I'm going to make a slip knot. Make a chain of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So you're going to yarn over 8, yarn over, make a chain of 8, yarn over, skip this one chain, come into the next one with a double crochet. That's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 3 double crochets, 4 double crochets, 5 double crochets, and 6 double crochets. So this is what we have. You're going to chain 1 2 3. That one acts, the chain 3 acts as the very first double crochet. Go on top of the next double crochet with a double crochet. Go on top of the next double crochet with a double crochet. Go on top of the next double crochet with a double crochet. Those are 4. This is the 5th. And this is the 6th. So yeah guys, this is what we are going to be doing until we make something that is long enough to run from this corner to this corner. Something that can run all the way through. Yes. 1 2 3. Turn your work. So go ahead and do this. When I return, I'll tell you how long my piece for placing on the sides is. Yes. Yeah, and guys, those who didn't get how I made the back panel of this piece, you remember at the beginning, the way I did the first 10 rows is the way I did this whole piece. Yeah, it only changed on the 11th row when we were creating the triangle. So the way I did these 10 rows is the way I did the whole 18 rows of the back piece. Yeah, so guys, I'm back and this is what I have made. Yes, this is something for the sides that I've made for the 2 pieces, meaning I'm supposed to sew it onto the 2 pieces. So as you can see, this piece with the triangle is finished. This one is not finished. Yes, and to do this, it is so simple. Let me show you how I finished these pieces. My yarn, yeah, so guys, we are going to finish our piece. We're going to make a slip knot, attach it to this corner, chain 1. So you're going to turn your work. You're going to get into this space with 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. Then you come into this middle that separates the 2 double crochets with a single crochet. Come into the double crochet space with 2 single crochets. Then this corner that separates the 2, joins the 2 double crochets with a single crochet. This is 1 and 2 in the space, this corner that joins the 2 with a single crochet. I think you can see. So this is how we are going to be finishing our piece. You come into the space with 2 single crochets, then this corner that joins the 2 double crochets, you place a single crochet. So do that and let me meet you when I'm going to sew our bag. Yeah, so guys, here I am and I'm going to start with the back panel. Let us start by sewing the back panel. Sorry. Yes, I'm using this very yarn. It's the very yarn I have placed in my needle. So let's do these together. So guys, I think you can see how our work has turned out. This is what you're going to do, and you're going to sew it along these lines until you get done with the back panel. Yeah, so guys, let me meet you when we are placing the front panel onto this piece. Yeah, so guys, I sewed the back part. This is the front part and our handle. So let me show you how I made the handle. And for the handle, I made a chain of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 yarn over, skip this chain, go into the next with a double crochet. That is 1 double crochet. Those are 2. The 3, and those are 4. So you're going to make a chain of 3 that will act as the very first double crochet. Go into the next double crochet to the double crochet, those are 2. Go into the next double crochet to the double crochet, those are 3. Go into the very last double crochet to the double crochet, those are 4. You chain 3. It is similar with what we did for something for the sides, but just that here we are having less double crochets. For the sides we had 6, here we have 4. So yeah. So guys, that's what you're going to do. And for the handle, so you're supposed to go ahead and sew this front part onto this piece that has already its side. Yeah. So let me sew it onto that piece. You see how it will look like. Okay. If you have another option of sewing, you can use it. If you want to use a sewing machine, it will actually look more prettier. Yeah, I resorted for this. This is how our bag looks like. This is the inside plus the side. So go ahead and do this until you reach this corner. Place your handle and the bag will be as good as done. Yes, thank you guys.